Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install ONLYOFFICE DocSpace on Ubuntu. ONLYOFFICE DocSpace can be installed in two ways. However, the first step is common for both installation methods. You need to get the official installation script file first. To do so, open the terminal and run the following UJ command. To install ONLYOFFICE DocSpace community using deb/rpm packages, run the following command. This command will install the DocSpace platform and all the required components within a few minutes. No matter the installation method, you must open your web browser when the installation process is complete. In the address bar, enter the IP address that your computer has in your local network. You can find your IP address in the network settings of your OS. Alternatively, you can run the IP command in the terminal. Now, you will see the necessary IP address. Enter it in the address bar, and you will be redirected to the DocSpace registration page. When you access the DocSpace registration page, you will need to fill in some fields to register yourself as the owner of your DocSpace platform. Make sure you agree with the terms of the ONLYOFFICE license agreement and click the Continue button to proceed with the next step. Don't forget to check your email inbox and click on the activation link. Now it's time to configure your DocSpace. In the lower left corner of the page, click the menu next to your account and choose DocSpace Settings. You will see all available sections. It's recommended to start with the Security section to make your DocSpace as safe as possible. After that, check and configure each option depending on your preferences.